Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can download and import LUTs into CapCut PC. So I just downloaded it off a website. You can use any website that you'd like, and I chose this cube file. So to import it to the actual app, you're just going to select adjustments, go to LUT and select import, and go to that page, like the downloads page. Okay, this is not what I wanted. Where is it? Try to find it. It's in compress. I don't know why I can't find it. Hold on. I don't know why it's not showing up. But you can just do that or maybe drag it, but I'm not sure why it isn't loading, because it should be in this folder, but it's not. Okay, here it is. There we go. Select it, and then it's going to be added to your, like, I don't know, file. Then you can just select a video and then go to adjustments and then apply it on top to add that LUT. You can also change the strength of it, and you can adjust the hue and stuff still here if you'd like to. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!